The appeal court this morning began hearing the appeal of convicted leader of the Klansman gang, Tesha Miller. Tesha Miller was in 2020 sentenced to 38 years and 9 months in prison for plotting the 2008 murder of former chairman of the Jamaica Urban Transit Company, Douglas Chambers. He was convicted on December 2 on 1 count of accessory before the fact of murder and 1 count of accessory after the fact of murder. Prosecutors used the testimony of a former member of the gang to secure the conviction. But during today's hearing, Miller's attorney, John Clark, submitted an application to introduce fresh evidence in the appeal. He said it will support Miller's claim that he wasn't given a fair trial.